Hello everyone, my name is David and I'm delighted to share with you all a quick product tour of Plan so you can better understand what it does and how it can help you. Events are a great way to get people to collaborate and socialize in real life, but they can be quite painful to plan, organize, and track. That's why we created Planned. Our goal is to help companies remain organized by making it easy for anyone to book events while keeping things compliant and easy to track for procurement teams. Here's how it works. First, we set up your company profile with your custom company policies. This can be in the form of uploading preferred suppliers or setting spend thresholds. Once that's done, anyone in your company can start planning. There's no user seat limitation, so we literally mean anyone. Let's say I want to plan a launch party. After I answer a few questions on my event, I will be brought to the My Events page. This is where I'll be able to track my recommendations and communications with suppliers. Here, I can invite colleagues or collaborators to the event and then browse the marketplace to find the perfect supplier for me to book. Within the marketplace, I can find venues and search for all sorts of suppliers. Despite having over 100,000 suppliers within our marketplace, the filters make it very easy to find exactly what we're looking for. In my case, for instance, I want to look at this theater. Within the listing page, I can view all of the details about the space, the amenities, the facilities, the hours, the different spaces within, and any preferred vendors that work there. I can contact them directly from the listing page and then communicate with the suppliers all within the platform. Once I've decided on who I want to work with, I can send them my company contract and pay everyone directly through Planned with the payment methods of my choice. I can share any other files as well that are relevant to the event. We work with a lot of Fortune 500 companies, and this consistently saves them a ton of time as we avoid the supplier onboarding process. It's also a way for event planners to get to book suppliers outside of the existing list of pre-onboarded suppliers for more unique events. My procurement team will be able to create a report to understand our company budget breakdown, see how much money we've saved by leveraging pre-negotiated rates and by comparing quotes. We can't wait to see all the events that you'll organize with Planned. This was the high-level demo. There's much more to it, and we're constantly adding new features. So if you want to better understand how it would work for your company, click on Book a Demo on our homepage and we'll give you a one-on-one tour.